What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So last episode you guys got to see my new car, which is the EM1. This is not the original EM1 that I've been working on for a month and a half. This is a new car. I've only had it for like 3 days. It's Friday night, and since, like I said in my last video, I'm kind of like in between projects right now, and it's a good time for me to do like a garage, kind of what I'm going to call like phase one of like the garage overhaul here, which will include me making this garage look a lot more organized and clean, less cluttered. So I don't know, I figured I'd just make a little video on it. Don't know how much I'm going to film, but this is what I'm going to be working on this week, is the garage, not cars, just the garage. So I got my truck fired up last night. Luckily I kind of hacked it together, had a seized alternator, but she runs, so I'll be able to haul stuff around. My goal this week is to get everything pulled off and out of the walls. All of this shelving unit here is going to go away because all I do is just throw shit on it and it makes the garage look like crap. The plans are to basically get everything off of the walls that are not white and insulate and cover the walls so that I can paint them white. Because I want all the walls and everything in here to be white, just to help the lighting and to make everything look really clean. So all these shelves are going to go away. Last year, this shelving unit extended all the way along this garage here, and I cut that off, got rid of it, made more room, and I was able to actually store a car right here last year. So I had 5 cars in the garage last winter for storage. But this spring here, this week, I'm going to get rid of all this shelving and get the walls insulated. I think I'm just going to get like these. I got some fiberglass bats here, but I think these are only R11, and I think you're supposed to go at least R13 on the walls, especially like up in Michigan. I might go like R15 just to try to hold some better heat. The ceilings were all insulated. I blew in about 1.5 feet of cellulose last fall into the ceiling, so the ceiling is all insulated and done. That was a huge project and it was super expensive, so I'm glad that's over with. Insulating the walls, I expect to cost, like I got some areas up here, this entire wall, and this entire wall, I counted it out, there's about 50 studs that I got to insulate, and I think it's going to cost around $300 for insulation. I'm not 100% sure. That was a quick search I did on at Menards on my phone, so I'm probably going to go to the store tomorrow and start buying insulation. But it should be about, I don't know, 300 bucks, and then my plan for the wall coverings is going to be like really heavy OSB, I think, like 1/2 inch OSB, so that I can, throw a nail or a screw in the wall if I want to hang something lightweight. I don't really plan to hang much on the walls because my main goal here is to clean the walls up and get all the crap off of the walls just to make the garage look more aesthetically pleasing. So I don't know, I figured I'd make a little video on it and just document the process here since I'm not going to be working on cars this week. But like I said, this is going to be a garage vlog as well as a car vlog as well. So you guys will get to see the garage kind of transform into hopefully something a lot cleaner than what it is right now, because right now I'm frustrated because I got these shelving units here that I just stack a bunch of crap on them that shouldn't even be in the garage. My main goal is to get rid of all of this junk, nothing that isn't related to cars or anything that I need to work on or build or service cars, and everything that doesn't or isn't car related, get it out of here so it looks clean, it looks functional, and it's more of an enjoyable space for me to hang out here this summer. So it's about 4 o'clock, whole day working, and got the shelving unit out, which is nice. So I got a lot of room, but man, I'm beat. This is a lot of work. So I got the truck running obviously there, and I realized that I got a hoarding issue. I got too much junk, so I didn't know I'd be reorganizing. So all this is going down to the barn. I can reuse that wood for shelving. But yeah, I'm beat. Hopefully I can get all the insulation here installed tonight. That's the goal for tonight, is get all the insulation installed. So we'll see. What's up, guys? Day 2 of the garage makeover episode here, and the insulation is about halfway done. I've done all the easy work on this wall, and I've started on the back wall here. that's about how far I have to go. So still got a lot of work. What I ended up getting was R13 rolls. I think they're pretty cheap, like $10 a piece or so. So actually it was a lot cheaper than I thought, and then I got some extra bats here that I'm going to try to use up, which is R11. Should be fine. You can already tell a difference in here with the heat because it's freezing cold even though it's April. It's below freezing and the heater's actually working a lot better in here than what it did. So super stoked to have some insulation. Really bummed that the garage is trashed. This is the dirtiest the garage has ever been in probably about 4 years. And I want to show you guys some EM1 content here. I just scored these wheels tonight and they are just beautiful condition EM1 SI wheels. Really excited to get these for the EM1 project, so that's definitely a plus for the car because those things always get really corroded. Those are just beautiful condition. I don't think they've really ever been used. They probably sat in somebody's garage after they upgraded or something, and then, you know, the guy got them from probably got them and put the tires on. He only had them for about a year and he never even used them, so I'm really excited to put those on the EM1. So I'm going to keep working here. I kind of don't have a lot of motivation tonight because I still have a lot of work ahead of me. But it's got to get done. My goal tonight is to finish the insulation so that tomorrow I can start hanging on the walls so that we can get it painted, and then I can get the garage back together and start working on cars again. So I'm going to keep going. Day 3 here in the garage makeover, and drywall is starting to go up. So yeah, this is a lot of work. I've never done drywall before, but it's a pain in the ass. This stuff is heavy, especially by yourself. I'm going to try to get a buddy to come over tomorrow and help me finish, but we'll see. I doubt it. Nobody wants to do this shit. So I called around trying to get maybe a contractor to come out and do it. Nah, they're all busy, so figured I'd just bust it out myself. I am happy with it. Just having the bare drywall up has really helped the lighting in the garage quite a bit, so that's pretty cool. So I just figured I'd update you guys. It's the end of day 3. It was supposed to be a 2-day project, but obviously, you know, it's the way things go around here. It's going to take probably a week for me to get this thing back together, so whatever. It is what it is. It's my first time doing this stuff, and I suck at anything, you know, carpentry work, so it is what it is. But yeah, progress is being made. I'm really happy. This is the end of day 4. More drywall's up, still not done. This is a lot of work. I actually ran out of drywall, so I gotta run to the store tomorrow and get some more. Progress is progress, right? Man, this sucks. Or maybe I just suck at working on like house things, I don't know. But gotta get this done. Gotta get my garage back. We got projects to work on. That's not one of them. I'm not gonna work on that for a while. Need to work on that. But yeah, day 4, still putting drywall up. This is gonna take probably a couple weeks because I haven't even started mudding or anything yet. This sucks. I hate working on houses. So it's day 5 of the garage makeover here, guys, and all of the drywall is up on the walls. I love the new lighting. Like, just having white walls has improved the lighting in the garage so much. So really excited. I'm probably gonna get roasted for my drywall skills, but I don't really care. I'm not a professional. I've made that clear. But you know, there's not any like major gaps. I did get kind of lazy on a couple pieces, kind of the last pieces that I did. But it is what it is, you know. I'm just really excited to have white walls, and like the lighting in here is so much better. Not to mention, it's like 30 degrees out. Actually, it's below 30 in April, and it's like, it's comfortable in here without heat, so that's a big improvement. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the garage makeover project here, and we're looking pretty good. I've completely trashed the garage, but I got nice insulated and covered walls at this point, and I don't think that like I'm gonna do a whole lot more filming on this project. You know, I told you guys that this would be like a garage vlog as well as like a car vlog, but I mean, like filming me sanding and taping and all that crap is not gonna be cool. So I'm just gonna bust it out. Hopefully have it done within, my goal is to have it done in a week. So I don't know if I'm gonna have a video this week, which sucks. Maybe I'll have to just like do some brainstorming or figure something out what I can do for like a quick video for next week, because my goal is to do one video a week for a year and see what happens on this channel here. So we'll see what happens. But this is like I said, this is stage 1 of the garage makeover. This project exploded into a huge mess. I thought I was going to be able to like knock this out last weekend, just doing insulation and OSB on the walls and then just like caulking and painting the seams, which is what lots of guys do in like pole barns. And I was going to do it in here, but since it's attached to the house, I decided, you know, let's go the extra mile and just do the drywall, finish it off really nice. And it's also like drywall is a better fire retardant than OSB as well. Not that there would ever be a fire in here, but I don't know, I think it'll also help resale of the house doing drywall rather than OSB too. So that was just the other reason why I went with drywall instead of what I initially said was we were going to do OSB. I think it's a lot more work though. So anyway, just an update. This is where we're at, and I still have to re-tape and re-mud every single seam on the ceiling there and remove all these stupid hooks that are on the ceiling for reasons I don't know. These are from the previous owner of the house. And I got huge holes that I got to fill on this wall here, and then obviously retaping all these walls that were done by whoever built the house. It's not good. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, just like in taping and mudding. So I've never done drywall before, like I've said, and everybody says that's like the worst part is doing the taping and mudding, and I don't think it'd get any worse than hanging all those stupid sheets by yourself, but I don't know, we'll see. But let's go back on like what I said. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a video this week. Tomorrow's Sunday. It's been a week since I started filming this video, and like I said, we'll see what happens. But yeah, here's the garage. We're looking good, and I'm just gonna keep powering through this, working out here every night like I did this week, and hopefully it'll be finished off and I can move back into the garage, start working on cars next weekend. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like what I'm doing, give me a like and give me a subscribe. There's a lot more car related content as well as garage related content coming soon. I'm going to be building new benches and cupboards. Probably, I don't know if I'm going to do it right here or not, but there's going to be benches and cupboards that I'm going to build. The garage is just going to be simplified. It's going to be very like a minimalist kind of style look. Get all this crap here that I've accrued. I've already brought 2 loads down to my barn, and I've probably got at least 2 more loads to bring down there of all this shit that I've got laying here. So it's going to be really clean, simple. I'll be able to fit another car in here. If you guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, there was a huge shelving unit here. All that's gone, and I mean, I'm going to have so much more room in here, and it's going to look so much nicer, so I'm stoked about that. But like I said, more content coming, more garage content coming, more Honda content coming, and then the IS is going to get worked on here soon too, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and take it easy, guys.